Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finviz for options. First, navigate to the Finviz website and locate the Screener tab. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks to find potential candidates for your options strategies. You can set specific criteria to narrow down your search, focusing on key financial metrics and technical indicators. This initial step is crucial for identifying strong underlying assets before diving into options contracts. To effectively screen for options candidates, begin by applying several key filters. Set the market capitalization to mid or large to ensure stability. Crucially, filter for an average daily volume exceeding 1 million shares to guarantee sufficient liquidity for your options trades. Also, consider a stock price range, perhaps between $20 and $200, to manage contract costs. Finally, examine technical patterns, like moving averages to spot clear trends. Once you have a refined list of potential stocks, it is time to delve deeper into individual analysis. Click on each ticker to view its detailed chart and fundamental data. Pay close attention to any upcoming earnings announcements or major news, as these can significantly impact options prices. Evaluate the implied volatility to gauge the market's expectation of future price movements. Look for clear, consistent price action and well-defined support and resistance levels to inform your strategy. With the insights gained from Finviz, you are now ready to develop your options strategy. If your analysis suggests a bullish outlook, consider purchasing call options. Conversely, if you anticipate a bearish move, put options might be more suitable. Remember, Finviz helps identify the underlying asset. You will need an options chain platform to select specific strike prices and expiration dates. Always practice your strategies with a paper trading account before committing real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.